Yeah, I opened the fridge. I saw the substance. It's my sister's new whatever, y'all.
What?
You know, y'all. Sister's new boyfriend. Took the whole thing in one breath.
Chug. You want more straws?
Nah. Yeah. Oh. Guys, don't even worry about it. I'm taking like 6 here. The fuck is that thing floating around?
So gross.
What the shit is that? I don't want to do this anymore.
None of that shit will kill you, so you're good. Oh my god. That is some sick shit.
Don't throw a diaper in my face! How do you feel, bro?
Oh my god.
Just throw a napkin in the bitch?
That was fucking dirty.
I need to wash that shit daily.
You feel like doing this again?
Yeah, man. I decided to make a bowl of cereal out of that.
It's like,
What?
So
I'm longboarding and she'll ride over here.
that's weird.
Yeah, I know. It's been the Driftbox Boys. Bye.